does a control and automation engineer do? So the major thing, like in our job, in our area of the control and automation engineer, designing of an automation system is first and foremost like capability, like his responsibility. He has to design an automation system as per requirements from the client, from the end user. After designing an automation system, he has to do engineering of application. He has to make develop the application for the control system, which would then be downloaded and then run in the control system. Finally, when the designing and development phase has been completed, there will be a factory acceptance test. In a factory acceptance test, whatever you have developed, whatever you have designed, has been tested under the factory environment. Like in a factory environment, you set up a sort of environment where there is no real field. You have just a lab where you test your application, you test your HMI, you test your all and every capability you had requirement. The end user will test and they will see and they will witness whatever they have demanded, they have been made accordingly. After that, there will be conducted site acceptance test. In the site acceptance test, whatever the software side, the control system side, and then the hardware side, they are being tested under like not the normal condition, but under the test condition. There would be like, if you are working in the oil and gas field, there would be no complete plant up. There will be some partial working on, and you will test each and every part of your plants according to your requirement. If it meets your requirements and you know that the desired functionality has been implemented and every hardware and software part is completed and developed accordingly. So finally, there are two other parts. One is the operation phase, another is a maintenance and troubleshooting. So for a control and automation engineer, he will always be available, he will always be ready for maintenance and troubleshooting of what he has developed, what he has made in his past, maybe on the same application, maybe on somewhere else, like new job. So this is the main responsibility and main role of control and automation engineer.